colorful morning to all. I hope you all have recognized me. Yes, I am Mother Teresa, founder of the Missionary of Charity. I was born on 26 August 1910. At the age of 12, I felt strong with the goal of God. My work has been recognized throughout the world, received numerous honors, including Nobel Prize for Peace. Peace begin with a smile. If you judge people, have no time to love them. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is not yet come. We have only today, so let us begin. Thank you.
Hello everyone, happy morning. I think you can guess me by my outfit. Not I will give you clue. I am the girl who stood up for education and changed the world. And also, I am youngest person who received a Nobel Prize. Yes, that's why I am Malala Yousafzai, and I was born in Pakistan on 12th July 1997. In 2011, I was nominated for the International Children's Peace Prize, and 2014, I received the Nobel Prize. I tell my story not because it's in, but because it's a story of many girls. Peace in every home, every state, every village, every country. That is my dream. If one man can destroy everything, why can't one girl change it? Be proud to be a woman. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Good morning. I have dressed up like a well-known Indian professional badminton player. Do you recognize me? Yes, I am Bhusala Venkata Sindhu, and I am the first Indian ever to win back-to-back medal in badminton world championship. I am honored with Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and also Arjuna Award for my outstanding performance in sports. The goal is not a medal, the goal is to be the best. No loss is ever enough. Neither one nor many to stop me from believing in myself. A woman can do anything a man can do. Empower them. Thank you.
Hey, good morning, sunshine. I hope you have a great day today. Have you identified me? I'm the first woman marathon in space. Yes, I am Sunita Williams, an American astronaut and United States Navy officer of Indian Slovenian descent. I received NASA Space Flight Medal and Padma Bhushan Award. I didn't feel like I was a person from the United States. I felt like I was lucky enough to be a person from Earth. Don't get bogged down by the notion of limits. They aren't any. Be the woman for who believes anything is possible and is willing to work for it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my warm welcome to all. Do you know who I am? Here is a clue for you. I am the current Vice President of the United States of America. Yes, that's right. I am Kamala Devi Harris, the United States first female Vice President, and also I am one of the 100 most influential people in the world. I was raised to be an independent woman, not the victim of anything. If you do not lift up women, everyone will fall short. What I want young women and girls to know is you are powerful and your voice matters. So use that voice and be strong. Thank you.
On behalf of Oxford Group of Institutions, we wish you all women happiness, success and prosperity. Happy Women's Day.